Open shelving, love it or hate it. It's still one of the most talked about trends in home interiors.
But in 2025, it's not just about sticking a few planks on the wall and calling it decor. Done well, open shelves can add character, charm, and a sense of spaciousness.
Done wrong?
It can look like a car boot sale on your wall. So, let's break down the new rules for open shelving and how to nail it in your home.
First rule. Your shelves should work for your lifestyle. In the kitchen, this means storing the items you actually use: plates, bowls, mugs, not just faux plants and copper kettles. The trick is blending function and style, so your shelves feel useful and look good.
Less is more.
Open shelving is all about curated simplicity. Leave space between groupings and avoid the urge to fill every gap. Use a mix of heights, shapes, and textures, but make it intentional. Remember, just because it fits doesn't mean it belongs. In 2025, cohesive color palettes are key.
Choose a theme: neutrals, earthy tones, black and white, and stick to it.
Even if you're displaying books, remove dust jackets or turn them spine in for a softer, more unified look. Yes, that's a thing now.
Layering adds depth.
Stack a few books, place a pole or candle on top. Lean a frame behind it gives your shelves that styled by a designer look without trying too hard. Don't be afraid of asymmetry either, it keeps things looking relaxed. A mix of materials makes a shelf feel dynamic. Pair natural wood with matte ceramics, glossy books, a bit of brass or copper, maybe even some glass.
But don't go overboard.
Aim for balance. If it's all shiny or all rustic, it can feel a bit flat.
Open shelves are a brilliant way to add personal and seasonal touches to your home. Rotate items through the year: a ceramic pumpkin in October, fresh greenery in spring, or some fairy lights in winter.
Add in personal bits to photos, souvenirs, even framed children's artwork. That's what makes a house a home.
So there you have it, the 2025 rulebook for open shelving.
Keep it useful, keep it beautiful, and most importantly, keep it you. When done right, open shelves can be the perfect blend of form and function. Planning to revamp your shelves this year?
Give us a like, subscribe for more home tips, and tell us in the comments what's your biggest open shelving challenge.